This is by far the worst decision we might see from Samsung, since Samsung is going with the same things what we have seen on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, except few, and there are a couple of things we are going to get in the S23 Ultra, but sad to hear that you won't feel much difference if you are not a hardcore user. Samsung just learned from Apple. Even they mock Apple because of its design aesthetic, but look what they probably do with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is by far the least changes in design we might see on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, where we get almost same dimensions, just a few millimeter difference, and I'm surprised to see the display resolution will exactly the same, even the camera hole. But what might change is its curve. Samsung is going with the flatter display in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but don't get me wrong, it will be slightly less curvy compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, so you can get a same experience either you have S23 Ultra or Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will get some of the major updates in cameras, and you guys should know that storage option is also getting an update, which makes the Galaxy S23 Ultra the fastest storage phone of the next year, because we are going to get a UFS 4.0, which is twice as fast as UFS 3.1, which every phone uses right now. Things you should be looking in your next Galaxy S23 Ultra must not be its new design, instead the new 200 megapixel camera and a new Snapdragon Gen 2 processor. The 200 megapixel sensor is not released yet, but we will see in the coming months, which will be HP2, the latest sensor. But how Samsung will manage these pixels to produce the highest quality will still be a question mark, since pixels in pictures are not the only thing we should be looking at. The ultra-wide and telephoto lens will remain the same, even the 10x periscopic lens is also the same. But you guys might be curious about the battery backup. Since Galaxy S22 Ultra was not up to the mark compared to its competitors, even sometimes dying within a day and not complete a full day, and Samsung decided to go with the same battery 5000 mAh according to the rumors. But with the Snapdragon Gen 2 processor, we might see a better battery backup than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. There are some rumors talking about new stacking technology for battery, and if Samsung try this, we might see a slightly bigger battery than the 5000, maybe 5500 mAh. No doubt Galaxy S22 Ultra design is the best so far, but innovation in every year design is important, and Samsung is trying to learn from Apple and try to keep the design same across multiple flagships. And if you are curious about iPhone 14 Pro Max versus Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you can watch this video. We'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!